Welcome to DubBot training for content creators. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to access your Click Here link report. From your dashboard, locate the Quick Wins section. Here, you will find the pages on your site that contain the most issues. To view all pages with Click Here links, select the dropdown Pages with Issues. Select Pages with Web Governance Issues. To view all Click Here link issues for a page, select on the page you would like to address the issues on. In the left-hand menu, click on the icon that looks like a puzzle piece. From here, click on Click Here is used as link text to see where on the page it's located. If the highlighted location is within your editable content area, like in this example, log into your Drupal website in a separate window and update the link. In some cases, you will find that the issue is located outside of an area you are able to edit. If this is the case, you will need to submit a ticket to web services to update the link. In your request, please provide the following. 1, the URL of the page that contains the broken link. 2, the text that should be used to replace the phrase, click here. If you have additional questions, please post them to our Microsoft Teams chat.